Welcome to the grandMA2 user training course. This is the first course on your path to learning the grandMA2 console and software. If this is your first time using our e-learning system, please make sure you have read the instructions. These are found in the Welcome to MA University course in the second section after the welcome video. As always, I recommend you practice everything you learn on a grandMA2 console, or download grandMA2 on PC and MA3D from the MA Lighting website and practice on that. The software is all available free of charge. If you have any trouble at all during your course, please contact the MA trainer at your local MA distributor, or you can email us at elearning@malighting.com. Right, let's get going. Click on the next arrow in the lower right corner to begin the first module.